What's up, Facebook fam? Today you're going to get an update of what's in my nursing bag. So I'm going to show you what I carry on an everyday basis to my job. I'm an LPN, licensed practical nurse, and let's just get started. Nursemaid. It has all kind of pockets, zippers, departments. It comes with a strap so I can carry it on my shoulder. And I got it from Scrubs and Beyond. Gotta have your water, and this is like one of my favorite because just before I leave, I just like to spray myself down with alcohol. Okay, this gets rid of a lot of stuff before jumping into your car, just in case. You gotta have your gum. Mint is therapy. Baby wipes. I carry my baby wipes to work just because I just like to wipe down my face and around my hands and stuff before I eat my lunch, or just I'm there for 16 hours. So my little black bag. So this is all of my little goodies, my little personal items that I like to keep on me. My little hair babies, a little mint, chapstick, another little hair tie. Let's see what else I got. Gotta keep you some secret. See, more mint. Got my mouthwash, toothbrush, and some body spray. Sometimes when I'm on my nursing card, it gets like super hot in the hallways. It just depends on, if everybody is cold and they all got their heat on, and it's just coming out into the hallway. So I like to keep my fan on my card. This is by Turbo. You can get the fan at Walmart if you need one. Okay, but I just plug it in whenever I need to just blow that air right off. And just whoop. You gotta have your white coat clipboard at all times. I'm sorry, you just got to have it in your bag. Extra alcohol wipes in it. Okay, so you gotta have your hand lotion. You got to have your hand lotion. And this one, I think I got this one from Dermacell. I got this one as a gift from my great aunt in her care bag that she gave me. And I just use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. You always got to keep you some hand lotion on because you just never know. Okay? You know how I am about some ashy hands. What else I got in my bag? When I go to work, I take this out of my bag because it holds my stethoscope. Love my Sharpies, love my pens. This is the Uniball. Now this pen, if you don't have this pen in your pocket when you are charting or taking down notes or marking off whatever you need to mark off, let this pen come up missing. I'm looking everywhere for this pen. This is the best pen in life. Okay, Signal. Okay, got your pens, got your markers. Gotta have it. You gotta have your little scissors. I'm happen to cut open the dressing changes, and when I'm doing my dressing changes, work well. Peel cutter. Sometimes they just come, in different milligrams, and you just got to give them the half a dose and save the other half. So you got your peel crusher. Got more scissors. These are, I'm telling you, they fit right in your pocket. They fit right in your scrub pocket. So I like stuff to be on me. So like I said, all my stuff is little, so I can just carry it right on me. Post oximeter, best thing in life. Again, put it right in my pocket. I go in there and I like to take all my vitals all at once. I also got my blood pressure wrist cuff. Let's do all of this all together. Take your vitals because you ain't got time to be all in there all day because you got to hit the next patient up. Okay, you want to say, hi, how you doing? Let me take all your vitals, okay? Let me just see how you running. Okay, that's going to blow up and put it by my heart. Let's just do it all at once. Okay. My O2 is at 99. Pulse is at 74. Temperature again is at 98. Did it get 98.3? I done heated up a little bit. Hey. And then I'm at 118/77. One I got from Amazon. This was only $25, y'all. You cannot beat that. $25. Anywhere else, you're going to find that it's like $50, $58 because they just want to double up on the retail price. But go to Amazon and get you a blood pressure cuff, a wristlet blood pressure cuff. It's going to save you so much time. Now, I do encourage, if you're getting an oddball reading, something's just you in your gut, you can just feel that it ain't right, go ahead and do a blood pressure manually, okay? Ask, if is it okay if I take your blood pressure on your left or right arm? Because they'll tell you yes or no, okay? Some of your patients may have a fistula where they can't have blood pressures done on that arm, okay? I also like to have a tape measure in my bag. That's easy to wipe off. If you can use a paper one, that's even better. But just in case you need to measure some wounds, you got to have that with you. And then also what's in my little pouchy pouch is some batteries. I always keep you some batteries because, you just never know when your stuff would need a new battery and it conks out on you. And it always seems like when you need it the most, that's when stuff starts, messing up. I had about 4 or 5 pen lights on me and at the same time. And guess what? I needed to use my pen light and it didn't work. But guess what I had to pull out? You're right. My phone. Because both of my pen lights didn't work. So, I just had to do what I had to do to save the patient's life and get my assessments done, my neural checks done. Where I got my stethoscope. I got this stethoscope as a gift, actually. But you can get them on Amazon, little lightweight stethoscope. It doesn't have a name on it, but it just works well because it just folds right up. I can just fold it up and put it in my pocket. I never wear it around my neck so much at work just because, you hear all the crazy stories about nurses, working at certain places. You got maybe a psych patient and they might want to grab it and choke you with it. You can't blame the resident. You just got to, be safe. So I normally don't keep this around my neck. I normally put it in my scrub pocket on the side of my pants, or I just leave it on my cart in my bag until I'm ready for it. Okay, just because you just want to be safe. You don't want something that you use every day to help save a life or to preserve it become something that's a weapon and used against you. Okay, so you got to always survive nursing. You just got to. Let's see what else I got in my bag. Let me throw that back in my bag. Now, sometimes when I'm on a roll, I do have a fanny pack. Yes. Now, if I don't want everything in my pockets, I put it around my waist. So this, my mom gave me this. This is travel gear. But Amazon, they also have fanny packs for nurses. You just never know when you are walking in a hallway and a patient falls out and, God puts you or who you serve puts you in a position at the right time to help save that patient's life. You don't want to be caught with nothing in your hands, and got to run and go get something to help preserve or save someone's life. I have my manual blood pressure cuff, my outside pockets. Got my belt, my gait belt. Got my gait belt in there. And on the other side, you got to have a phone charger now. If you're working and, you got one that plugs up into the computer, if your job lets you do that. I don't do that because I don't want all my pictures to get downloaded onto their computer. I'm not saying that I have stuff in my phone that should not be there, but you just never know, because it does ask, do you want to upload to the computer? So basically what I do is I just charge up this little portable that I got from Von Maur. I got it as a gift, actually. Mama Boy Now, thank you for my gift a couple of Christmases ago. But I charged this up in my car and I take it in with me. So when my phone is going dead, I just plug it right in and it charges right up. See, I'm telling you, this bag has lots of pockets. Now, like I said, you got to be ready for everything, because when stuff just stops working on you when you need it the most, you got to have your backup, okay? So again, I got extra backup, my extra watch, okay, my other little bracelets. Today I'm wearing my bracelets from this one came from Ulta, my little free gift they gave me. I love Ulta. Shout out to Ulta. Yes, they be giving me some goodies and I love them for that. And so you have a little heart little lipstick, lips, and a little diamond. This was my little free gift from shopping with them. So when you get a chance and you need to refreshen up on your makeup for work or for play, go to Ulta. Okay. Cornhuskers lotion. If you do not have this is old school. Okay, this is old school lotion right here. This in memory of a nurse that I worked with. Very great nurse. Very great family. And don't forget about the watch. You gotta have the watch. Okay, and I got this one from Amazon, secondhand, and also got the military time. Okay. If you have any questions, again, make a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Think like a nurse saves a lot. Thank you.